Everyone dreams of long, thick, stylish hair. But the sad truth is most people start losing hair quality the moment they try to grow it long. Hair fall increases, dandruff appears, and dryness ruins the look. The real reason is not genetics, it's poor hair habits. Today, I'll show you a simple 5-step hair care routine that can actually protect your long hair and keep it healthy. Let's start. Step 1. Clean the scalp. Not just the hair, your scalp collects sweat, pollution, and product buildup every single day. If the scalp isn't clean, hair can't grow properly. Shampoo is only for cleaning. Don't expect it to grow hair or stop hair fall magically. Indoor lifestyle? Wash 2 to 3 times a week. Active outdoor life or gym? You can wash more often with a mild shampoo. Massage gently with fingertips, never with nails, and always use normal or cold water. Hot water damages roots. Step 2. Conditioner is non-negotiable. Shampoo removes moisture. Conditioner restores it. Apply it only on the hair length and ends, never on the scalp. Leave it for 2 minutes and rinse well. Never rely on 2-in-1 products. Step 3. Drying the right way. Never rub wet hair with a towel. Wet hair breaks very easily. Pat it gently or use a microfiber towel. If you use a dryer, keep it on cool air only. Heat weakens hair over time. Step 4. Smart oiling and styling. Only 2-3 drops of oil or serum on the hair length after drying. Daily heavy oiling is not needed. Deep oil massage is okay once a month. Never sleep with styling products like wax or gel. Always wash them off before bed. Step 5. Nutrition builds hair from inside. Hair is made of protein. So eat enough protein: eggs, lentils, chicken, soy. Include nuts and seeds for healthy fats. Eat fruits and vegetables for vitamins. Drink enough water, sleep well, and control stress because stress directly causes hair fall. Healthy hair is not about expensive products, it's about correct routine and discipline. Follow these steps for 60-90 days and your hair quality will improve naturally. If this helped you, subscribe for more real grooming tips. I'll see you next time.